Okay, today I just wanted to give you an idea of what a 74-year-old, in December I'll be 74, eats for lunch that prevents acids and congestion from building up in my body. Okay, I'm starting off. I've got 16 ounces of fresh squeezed OJ. Right now I'm getting the oranges from California. They're Valencias and they're very good. It's tasty, really good stuff. So that's what I'll start off with. Then I've got some other fruits. One in particular I've shown you before, but this fruit is off the charts, mamey sapote. And I'm going to do some bananas and grapes with that as well. So let me enjoy this, and then I'll move on to the other ones that I'm eating for lunch today. And as I mentioned in the last video I put up, this is going to be key in staying healthy. You have to eat live food, lots of water content. It's got a lot of fiber content, and that helps keep everything moving so you're not getting any stagnation in the system, and you're not getting any congestion, because when you eat those other foods I mentioned in that video, if you eat too much animal-based products or starches, you're going to get the congestion buildup, and your internal plumbing will not be working optimally. So, I am raw. I don't eat things cooked. And I'm pretty much all fruit. I am all fruits and vegetables, and small amounts of nuts, seeds, and I eat avocados that are high in fat as well. So there's fat in my diet. Remember, there's fat in everything. There's fat in this orange juice, believe it or not. Yes, there is fat. And we only need small amounts of fat. We do not need huge amounts. That's one of the major causes to many of the diseases that we see today. Heart disease, diabetes, cancers, too much saturated fats. So let me down this. I'm dying to do it, and then I'll show you the other things I'm eating. Okay, course number 2 for lunch. Look at that beauty. Okay, that's mamey sapote. And you can see how soft the skin is, and that's the way you need it. You need it soft like that. Don't open it up if you ever get mamey before it's ready, because you won't enjoy it as much. But this food is awesome. It tastes like the best sweet potato you ever had, with hints of pumpkin, caramel. It's just so good. It's an awesome fruit, and you can eat it. I just cut one in half, and I'll eat this out of this half here. The other half I put in a fruit bowl. I mixed it with bananas. I have chopped bananas in here. Okay, and I've got some grapes in there as well. So you're looking at the orange juice. The orange juice was about 200 calories. The mamey, this whole mamey is close to 450, 500 calories. So you're looking at, what's that, 650. I put about 5 bananas in there. That's another 500. That's 1150, and some grapes. Not a lot of grapes, but so we're talking about a 1200 calorie lunch. Okay, I'm active. I teach tennis. I work out every day. I do something. And then for breakfast this morning, I had the 16 ounces of fresh squeezed OJ, so that's 200. And I had a 6 banana 2-date smoothie, which is about 700. So you're looking at 900. So 1,200 for lunch, 900 I had for breakfast. So I am at 2,100 calories. Is my math right? I think so. 2,100 calories so far today. Now for dinner, I'm going to have fruit before dinner and then a big vegetable salad. So the total on that could be another 1,000 calories. So I'm around 3,000 right now because I'm working out. I'm teaching tennis. I have many responsibilities that I do, which require energy, calories. You have to take them in. So that's the bottom line. But this kind of food is all alkaline food. It does not create acids. It does not create congestion, which is the main cause of cancers, heart disease, diabetes. It's too much saturated fats, too much congestion. So I found this works fantastic for me, and almost 74, I can say I'm on this until I go underground. Okay. And anyway, that's another story. But anyway, I'm going to eat lunch now. I'm really looking forward to this. So give this video a like, a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel if it's your first time here. Any questions or comments, post those below. I do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. And sometimes I have to research your questions. But, you know, I've got some good mentors that have helped me get to this stage. And I have a little network that I use to see what works the best. So, all the best, guys. Fruit up, baby. That's the key. Fruit up. Take care.